Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna continue with the Christmas market series in Europe by heading Germany in the beautiful city of Trier. The Trier Christmas market, Trierer Weihnachtsmarkt, is considered one of the most charming in Germany. The market takes normally place in two main squares, the Hauptmarkt, the main square that you're seeing now, and the Domfreihof, the cathedral square. I'm going to start from the Hauptmarkt, the heart of the city. Here you can see the amazing style of Kate Wolfart, in my opinion the most beautiful style you can find. In particular, you can see the nutcracker that represents the word of the German Christmas tradition, and also many beautiful handy products. And I always buy something in this style each year. And look how beautiful is this square. We are surrounded by historic and half-timber houses that steam straight out of a storybook. A warm and spicy scent fills the air. It is the glue wine or mulled wine, essential for warming up on cold evenings. Of course, in Trier you can also try the Glühwürz, the local version made from apple cider. And for a hearty flavor, you can ignore the cold of the grills. Let's queue up for a classic bratwurst in a bun, or look for the delicious Reibekuchen, fried potato pancakes, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, often served with apple sauce. These are the true flavors of the German winter. One of the German traditions is to meet in the weekend or after work with friends and colleagues to taste a World Cup of blue wine and eat something like Reibekuchen or other Christmas sweets. And if you are a collector, you can also buy the beautiful mugs of each Christmas market with a relative here. Now let's leave the hustle and bustle of the main square behind and follow the stream of lights towards the next stop. We are walking towards the Domfreihof, the cathedral square. And then there it is, the imposing facade of St. Peter Cathedral, the oldest cathedral in Germany, stands before us. Under the imposing cathedral, the market takes a different atmosphere, like more peaceful and relaxed. Here the stalls often offer more refined handicrafts or provide space for charity initiatives. It is a perfect spot for a quieter pause, perhaps with a cup of hot chocolate in hand. As you can see, the market here is smaller, and you do not find bars or places where to drink a glühwein, so it is more about strolling through different stalls. So I think it is the best spot if you want to buy something.
Alles klar, machen wir. Sehr aufmerksam. Wo ist er? Ja.
Well, I hope you enjoy this tour, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button, as soon you will get another walking tour of another beautiful European market. So stay tuned!